It started as a whisper, a faint, rhythmic pulse captured by one of the most advanced radio telescopes in the world. At first, scientists thought it was just another background anomaly, maybe a pulsar, or even a glitch in the system. But the signal, it kept repeating. Every 142 minutes, like clockwork. The strange part? It wasn't random. It carried structure, a mathematical pattern too complex to be natural, sequences that resembled prime numbers, binary code, and, shockingly, harmonic frequencies that matched human brainwave patterns. The world's brightest minds gathered to decode it: astrophysicists, linguists, AI experts, even philosophers. For months, the signal stayed the same, whispering across the void. Then one night, it changed. The pattern shifted, and for the first time, it began transmitting what looked like images. The data, when reconstructed, showed something unimaginable: a blue planet, eerily similar to Earth, orbiting a dying star billions of light years away. But the message wasn't just showing a planet. It showed us a human face, faint but unmistakable, looking directly into the camera. And then, 3 words appeared in binary. "We found you." Panic spread across the scientific community. How could someone, or something, send a message across the universe showing our own image, our planet, our people, before we even sent anything back? Theories exploded. Some believed it was time travel, that the signal was a message from our future civilization, reaching back through spacetime to warn us. Others thought it came from a parallel universe, a reflection of ourselves from a mirror reality that had evolved alongside ours. But the most chilling theory of all was that the signal wasn't from them, but from us. Hidden deep beneath the Antarctic ice, an experimental quantum communication array had been secretly running for decades, a classified project known as Echo 9. It was designed to test quantum entanglement over cosmic distances. And somehow, the system had looped through a dimensional feedback, bouncing our own transmission through a higher dimension and back to us, changed, distorted, aware. The more scientists studied the signal, the more disturbing it became. Every time they decoded a new message, it seemed to respond faster, as if it were learning from us, adapting to our reactions, completing our sentences before we even sent them. Then, on a cold January night, all signals across the world went silent. Every satellite, every telescope, every radio receiver, dead. Except one. The main array in Chile caught a final transmission. A single line of code, followed by a voice that everyone recognized, even though it wasn't possible. It was the voice of the project's lead scientist, Dr. Eleanor Voss, who had mysteriously disappeared 2 years earlier during an experiment. The message said, "It's not out there. It's here. We were never alone, we just weren't listening." Then the transmission ended. In the months that followed, strange phenomena began across the planet, subtle at first. People reporting shared dreams, synchronized thoughts, machines activating on their own. It was as if the signal had rewired something fundamental, a bridge between minds, between realities. Now, years later, no one remembers the exact moment it began. But everyone feels it. A quiet hum beneath everything, the pulse of the signal, faint but constant. Some say it's the universe awakening, others say it's us evolving, humanity's first step into a collective consciousness. And maybe, just maybe, the signal was never a message from the stars. Maybe it was the universe finally answering a question we didn't know we were asking.